hot 65-degree day in Corvallis, Oregon. Good thing you can buy a milkshake to cool off. Aw, too bad. Your delicious strawberry milkshake is melted, but don't worry, we have the product just for you.
Shake and Take from Shake and Take Incorporated has milkshakes that never melt. A simple chemical reaction will show you.
First, our chemical reaction. Water, H2O, and ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, react to make a substance cold. NH4Cl plus H2O makes NH4 plus Cl minus plus H2O.
In order to find the change of heat in reaction, you need to first find the sum of heat of formation of the products. Then you need to subtract it by the sum of heat of formation of the reactants. Therefore, in this case, you have to multiply negative 132.8 kilojoules times by 1 mole of NH4. Then added by negative 167.4 kilojoules times 1 mole of chloride. Then added by negative 285.8 kilojoules times 1 mole of H2O. Then you have to subtract this from negative 315.4 kilojoules times 1 mole of NH4Cl. Then added by negative 285.8 kilojoules times 1 mole of H2O. Then you will get 15.2 kilojoules.
The specific heat was found by multiplying the specific heats of the substances by percentages of them within the product, and then they were added together. Doing this is taking the weight of each of the substance's specific heat in the product is the most accurate way to get the actual specific heat of a strawberry milkshake. We had 80% of our milkshake is water. So that was 4.18 kilojoules. And we multiply that times the percentage. And as you can see by calculations, this is what we did for each of our ingredients. To get the perfect temperature for our milkshakes, we use the temperature change formula. Starting at 25 degrees Celsius or room temperature, we subtract the temperature that is lost from the reaction. However, in order to make our milkshakes cold enough, we need to use 2 moles of our chemical reaction, creating a temperature change of 25 degrees minus 16 degrees, making our milkshakes a deliciously cold 9 degrees Celsius.
Now we need to know how many grams of NH4Cl and H2O is in the can. We could find out the mass by using this equation. Since we do not know how many number of moles are used, we will convert this equation into this. Therefore, in this case, the number of moles used equals to 13.86 kilojoules times by 2 moles of NH4Cl divided by 15.2 kilojoules. This equals to 1.823.
Now our calculation for Q. Q equals MST, mass times specific heat times the temperature change. Our specific heat was 3.85 joules per gram Celsius, and our mass was 400 grams, and our temperature change was 25 minus 16 Celsius, which it was 9 degrees Celsius. So 3.85 joules times 400 times 9 equals 13,860 joules, or 13.86 kilojoules.
So now that you have the reaction, how does it work? First, take the metal stirrer that is contained on the side of your Shake and Take. Insert the metal stirrer into one of 3 holes on the can. This causes the ammonium chloride inside the can to react with the water. Wait 5 minutes and let your shake and take condense into its milkshakey goodness. Finally, break off the lid and enjoy your strawberry shake and take. Delicious.
But be careful, make sure you wait 5 minutes before eating the lip-smacking goodness. Also, be cautious when using the metal stirrer to pop 3 holes into the can, and don't let children under the age of 6 to play with the metal stirrer. You never know what they might do.
Shake and take cans not only keep your milkshake cold, but they also come in a variety of flavors, from vanilla to almond chocolate peanut butter swirl. Best of all, our can is recyclable. Be green. When you are done with your delicious creamy shake, put your can in the recycle bin nearest to you, or reuse. Our shake and take cans make beautiful flower vases.
And the best thing of all is that the shake and take is cheap. Our easy-to-access shake and take only costs $3.25. It's cheaper than the In-N-Out milkshake. Can you believe it?
Now don't just stand there drooling. Open your wallets and let me see that money, because you sure want to have a taste of these scrumptious milkshakes.
Aw, too bad. Your delicious shake... Aw, too bad.
Our shake and take cans make delicious flower vases.
A delicious flower?
Our shake and take cans make delicious flower vases. Our shake and take make cans. Our shake and take...